Hey Vikas, I noticed that mutual funds have different risk levels. Why is that?
That's a great observation, Sapna. The risk level usually depends on the kind of assets the fund invests in, like equity, debt, or a combination.
Oh, I see. So different funds have different strategies.
Exactly. Each fund has its own investment approach and objectives, which influences how it performs and the kind of risk it carries.
What about hybrid funds? I've come across that term too.
Hybrid funds invest in a mix of assets. The idea is to strike a balance based on the fund's goal, which could be income growth or stability.
That's interesting. So it really comes down to what fits me best.
Absolutely. When choosing a mutual fund, it's important to consider your comfort with risk and what you want to achieve financially.
Makes sense. Thanks, Vikas. I'm going to take some time to think that through.
Good call, Sapna. Being clear on your goals and risk level is a smart first step. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.